When it's time for new residential roofing for your winter garden home, should you be packing your bags? Homeowners often wonder whether they can stay home during roof replacement. The answer is yes, you can stay home, but you might not want to. There are benefits to staying home. It's easy to keep an eye on what's going on with your roof, and you don't have to worry about missing a phone call if your project manager can just knock on the door with updates. Staying home is cheaper than getting a hotel, and it disrupts your daily routine less. But staying home isn't all sunshine and roses. Roof replacement is really loud. For children, pets, people who are sensitive to noise, and anyone who works from home, it's best to stay away during work hours so you don't have to hear shingles getting nailed into place. Roofing can also pose some dangers to family members. The process can involve a good deal of falling debris, so children and pets can't be allowed outside while the crew is at work. Adults should stay inside too. So is it better to leave or stay home? That depends on your situation. If you'll be bothered by being cooped up in a noisy house, find a place to stay. But anyone who doesn't mind the noise can stay home to keep an eye on things. Still having trouble deciding? Talk it out with us during a free Central Florida roof inspection.